Yo, hello guys and welcome back to another Minecraft video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can actually your items durability in Minecraft. So first of all, please open your Minecraft and make sure that you are using whatever version can be possible that you are using. And now let's click on our world and let's join it. So basically guys, what the durability thingy will help you with is just to determine when you should stop using your enchanted diamond pickaxe. So sometimes, like in the early time of the game, you will be like using your enchanted diamond pickaxe too much, like because it is fast, it saves time, and it will be so helpful for you. But when it comes to be a little bit like about to be broken, you can't really decide if it is the time to stop using it or not if you don't really see the durability. So how can you really see the durability? First, let's get us a diamond pickaxe. Actually, let's get 2 diamond pickaxe and let's get efficiency 5 and let's get unbreaking and mending. I will show you everything in detail in this video. So let's get a book and let's get enchantment. Oh, actually no need, just get anvil, just like so. No, now let's put this down and let's upgrade our pickaxe like that. Unbreaking 3, mending, and this one I will only use this efficiency 5 and without any unbreaking. So let's go to the game mode, survival, and wait, let's put some stone just like that, and I will show you what exactly this will help you with. So like that I think will be good. 2 lines of stone just to see how the durability varies between each pickaxe and each enchantment to another. Now after we are completed with these steps, just for the sake of this tutorial, just like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and make it survival mode. And now for example, let's use this efficiency 5 and bring 3 bending. Let's use it for example in here, just like so. It is really good to use. You will be like happy using it, having fun. It is really fast, better than the iron pickaxe that you used to play with, and the same thing with this one in here. So they are the same, like SC5 SC5. What's different between them is the unbreaking. So here we will understand what unbreaking will help you with a lot, guys. So we will have like we destroy the same amount of stones, so the same amount of stones in both pickaxe. And now let's click on F3 and H at the same time, so F3 H, and just like that you will be able to see the durability. So for example, this one has unbreaking. We only used like how much, four durabilities because we have unbreaking, but here we used really a lot, like 40 or 2 or so, like between 40 or 30 durability. That's how you can actually determine like the durability of your pickaxe, and that's how your unbreaking 3 helps you with this like saving your pickaxe, like your tools. It really does the difference. Look at it, this one only took us like 4 durabilities, and this one like 40, like 40 times more than, or 10 times more than it should be. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.